CQ Researcher publishes in-depth articles focusing on the most important, current, and controversial issues of the day. Let's take a look at how this database works. CQ Researcher is a long-established research publication. Unlike many other major databases, it does not collect articles from many sources. It's more like a magazine itself, publishing reports written by experienced journalists. Each report deeply investigates one current issue, and is footnoted and professionally fact-checked so that you can rely on its accuracy and follow up on the information yourself. The reports always include an overview, historical background, chronology, statistics, and a pro-con feature, plus resources for additional research. CQ Researcher is very easy to use. When you get to the home page, you will see the latest reports featured, and a little list of hot topics to the side. The simplest thing is to look at Browse Topics, which shows broad subjects. Let's look at the health topic. There is a long list of subjects to look at. If I choose infectious diseases, it then comes up with a long list of reports, arranged by date. The newest are at the top. I'll choose COVID-19 and mental health, and here is the report. In all, it's about 25 pages long, and I can read the whole thing, choose sections from the table of contents on the left, or get it in a PDF format. I can see more resources in the bibliography and the footnotes, and each footnote has a link leading to the source. I can get a citation here, and choose APA, MLA, or Chicago. I can also choose to print or email the report. CQ Researcher also allows me to register for a free account and save items for later. There are other ways to look for topics to research, which can be helpful if I'm really not sure what I want to write about. I can browse reports by date and look at everything that was published this year. The issue tracker has a list of topics, places, and names, and I can choose one and see all the reports that mention that subject. The pro-con list is very helpful because I can choose a subject, say alternative medicine, and it will list all the debate questions that have been written about. Just about any of those debate questions would be a good research paper topic. Finally, you can get plenty of help by clicking the Using CQR link. CQ Researcher is a great place to find paper topics and get a solid understanding of many current issues. Remember that it produces single topic reports, about 44 every year, that are written by journalists and fact-checked for accuracy. CQ Researcher does not collect other articles. If you have questions or need help, contact the library.